Week 8 lecture, website maintenance. Even after you have a website completed and online, you still need to plan to maintain it. Outdated content is a fast way to lose customers. Regular updates to content are vital. Your design also needs to be reviewed regularly. You should occasionally check your site to make sure it is still supported by all major browsers, that links haven't become broken, that design has not become outdated, and it still meets the needs of the target market. How often would you need to update? Well, that'll depend on the type of site. However, pages should appear fresh, even if it's just an announcement of a sale or something going on with your business. Users should not have to guess if you're still in business. A good practice is keeping your site updated is just pay attention to the sites you visit every day. Take a note of things that you like that might work for your site as well. Look at trends that are being overused or can possibly date the site and make it appear older than it is. Look at sites that are active and successful. See what they're doing that maybe would work for you as well. If there are any stumbling blocks to the user experience, whether it's a broken link or navigation that isn't quite clear, take care of it. It's also very important that you keep a positive user experience. Users will only stay on a website for a few seconds before they decide it's going to be helpful or if it's going to be too difficult to find what they need. Users don't want to work at finding what they came for. If it's not immediately clear with intuitive navigation, again, they will leave. Be sure there are no broken links and keep an eye out for outdated design elements that might indicate that you aren't maintaining the site on a regular basis. It's also important to keep up with new technologies. They can enhance a website and maybe improve means that you are already using to present content. Stay abreast of changes and improvements, even if it isn't something you don't currently use. A better way of doing things may come along. Watch out for deprecated code and changes in the browsers. Also make a habit of reading articles on technology and website maintenance to help keep abreast of certain issues that might affect your site. The foundation of your website includes the domain, web space, and certificates that keep it running. In most cases, your provider will keep you informed on changes or improvements, but you can't always rely on that. Stay involved in your site. Visit the management console often and take note of versions. Be sure your domain and web space feeds are paid. You can lose a domain very quickly if the payment is late. Lastly, be sure to keep backups of site content and data in at least 2 separate locations. Providers can disappear, backup methods can fail. Be sure you're covered.